Your company is not going to go out of business because of AI. Your company is going to go out of business because another company used AI.
Yeah, we know that already. But the bigger question is, how can we integrate AI into our business, especially if we are in Europe? In my career, I worked with both startups and also traditional companies. So when it comes to AI, we have a lot of big problems. So first of all, we think we need a lot of processing power to be able to run the AI for the local service. And also you have to consider your own company data needs to be protected. If you are a company in Europe, you can just simply take your customer data or even your company data and send it over to OpenAI to train a model. That's not gonna work. And let's say the company decides to run their own local AI. Actually, you don't have to train a whole model. You can fine tune it. You can just tweak it. You can adopt an already existing model with your own data. Now you have to figure out how to set up the hardware, how to fine tune the model, how to set up the data to train it, and where to find the models at all. So if you're running a small business, don't worry about the hardware requirements or the AI costs. So you don't need to rely on external services or spend a fortune on different services. You can actually train your own AI without risking your company or customer data. So it's more affordable than you think. Of course, you will need a hardware to load the model and run the model. Nowadays, you can run AIs on a single GPU. Let's say you fine-tuned your model and downloaded it. So the next question would be how to integrate your own model into each different work process in your company. There are also open source node-based tools. So with this setup, your data stays secure and you still can automate different tasks with the same AI. You can even fine-tune different kind of AI models for your work processes. So the bare minimum for doing all this is just a decent computer. I mean, you could also rent the GPU to use it as your server for your model, which is still cheaper than relying completely on services like OpenAI. So if you want to integrate AI into your business, ideally locally and also affordably, I'm here to help. So feel free to reach out and let's talk about how we can make AI work for us.